Dako po tayo dyan sa may Department of Justice, si dating Department of Public Works and Highway Secretary Manuel Bunuan at dati pong DPWH District Engineer Henry Alcantara. Humarap sa preliminary investigation. Ukol po yan sa reklamong plunder na kanilang kinakaharap. Senator Jinggoy at dating Senator Bong Revilla naman po hindi daw sumipot. Kaugnay niyan may nakalapang report si Bombo Grant Hilario.
Isinagawa ngayong araw ng Department of Justice ang unang preliminary investigation hinggil sa reklamong plunder. Kinakarap din ng former Senator Bong Revilla, Senator Jinggoy Estrada, former Department of Public Works and Highway Secretary Manuel Bunuan at iba pa. Ayon mismo kay Justice spokesperson Attorney Polo Martinez, ang naturang plunder cases ay ang siyang isinampa ng National Bureau of Investigation laban sa mga nabanggit. Kung kaya dumating at personal na hinarap ito ni na former Secretary Manuel Bunuan at State Witness Henry Alcantara. Subalit ang ilang respondent ay hindi sumipot kagaya nila Senador Jinggoy Estrada at former Senator Bong Revilla na ayon naman sa kaguraan ay maaari naman. Paliwanag kasi ng tagapagsalita na ang tanging naganap pa lamang ngayong araw ay ang pagbibigay o receipt sa kopya ng reklamo at dokumento nito. Yan naman ang mga respondent ay nakatakdang humarap sa prosekusyon sa susunod na schedule na preliminary investigation. Ito sila ay mabibigyan ng pagkakataon para makapagsumite ng kanilang mga counter affidavit sa reklamo. Habang dagdag pa ng tagapagsalita na humiling ang National Bureau of Investigation complainant ng karagdagang mga araw para sila ay makapagsumite pa ng mga dokumento. Kaugnay niyan, ating pakinggan si Attorney Polo Martinez, ang spokesperson ng Department of Justice.
February 2, 2026, preliminary investigation was conducted for the plunder cases against former Senator Bong Revilla and Senator Jinggoy Estrada. Hindi po dumating si Senator Jinggoy and Senator Bong Revilla because this day specifically was for the receipt merely of the complaints and the documents filed by the complainant NBI. So tinanggap lang po nila yung complaint and yung mga additional documents by the NBI, and this was done to their counsels, so they did not have to appear. And they are scheduled to appear at the next scheduled hearing for the submission of their counter affidavits. Ang nangyari po today is the NBI requested for additional days to submit additional documents in support of their complaint. So they were given an opportunity to do so, and at which time, sina Bong Revilla po and all the other respondents will then file their counter affidavits.
Subalit, binigyan din ni Justice spokesperson Martinez na hindi ito nangangahulugang mahina ang reklamo plunder na isinampa ng kawanihan laban sa mga respondent. Hiling niya, iwasan naman espekulasyon sapagkat git ng tagapagsalita na masalimuot umano ang kaso kung kaya't may dahilan para humiling ng karagdagang panahon para mabuo at may sumite ang mga dokumento. Mali ang tagapagsalita ng Department of Justice na si Attorney Polo Martinez.
Well, I think that's, let's not speculate. Because of course, voluminous ang documents. Masalimuot po yung kaso. It's very complex. The documents NBI has, baka maraming rason bakit hindi pa nila siguro na-submit. Pinoculate pa, sobrang dami, hindi na-print, hindi umabot ngayong date. So it's a lot of reasons. I don't think it's safe to say na mahina. Let's not go there. Let the panel do it.
Samantala, matapos ang pagharap ni former Public Works Secretary Bunuan sa preliminary investigation, kanya ibinahagi na pag-aaralan muna ang reklamong kinakaharap. Pagtitiyak at pangakuan niya na mananatili ito sa loob ng bansa habang umaandar ang kaso o reklamong isinampa laban sa kanya. Narito naman ang tinig ni former Secretary Manuel Bunuan ng Department of Public Works and Highways.
Okay lang ako, okay lang. So, yeah.
The whole trial po.
Yeah, of course. I'll be here. Well, I'm just waiting for yung schedule for the operation. That's why. She's still undergoing medication kasi. And she's supposed to be scheduled for a corneal transplant by the middle of February. I'll have to study it actually muna. I have to study it. I don't know. I think it's something to do with the allocations for members of the Senate.
Dagdag pa rito, dumating din sa kaguraan sina former Public Works Engineer Bryce Hernandez at JP Mendoza hinggil sa walay na tax complaint na kinakarap. Maging ang state witness na si Sally Santos ay dumating rin, ngunit ayon sa kaguraan ay patungkol naman sa Witness Protection Programa. Nag-uulat live para sa Bombo Network News, ito si Bombo Gran Hilario, and this is Bombo Radio Philippines, the number one most trusted source of news and information. Basta Radio, Bombo!
For the most trusted source of news and information, visit our website at www.bomboradio.com. Follow us on Bombo Radio mobile app, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and X, formerly Twitter. Like, share, and stay connected. Anytime, anywhere.